Welcome, brother.
What going? You can't wash your yard.
If I didn't wash it up, but not so bad. I still don't know my house found down.
What?
And I did my clothes in a bed.
How you manage to make your house burn down?
Circumstance. So you're going like, I'm coming in.
No, not that, man. I sent me around the back of door. Actually, I'm a sister and all, you know, but we can't get the back room. I saw you want to stay, right?
Yeah.
We can't get the back room to stay. But they're not young people in a home if you manage to make
We
your
can't
house
get the
burn
back
down.
room?
Yes, I can get
Right.
Jesus Christ. Guess what?
What?
We just trade out my one next 50 grand in the morning, early morning.
50 grand?
Yes.
So I make so much money, I don't make that money there. How you do?
I don't know, I look, I got them on my side. I just did it and then I buy that, and then I sell that, and I sell it back and I get them for higher price.
So you can't show me the style, I don't make that money there. You must not make a 50.
I YouTube, I watch and learn. YouTube, go on YouTube and type in how to trade Bitcoins. And that them I do and I watch it and I follow what man say. When I do that, then I say bloops, I start get that. Bloops, I start get that. First and foremost, I think like I can so build a house or buy a car or something like that.
House and car?
Yes.
No, you have to come here style. Mostly I make a one bike taxi lunch money or something. I don't make no money.
Cause you're good now, consistent with it. You just go and trading when you feel like no that you do.
Yeah, but
Yeah, me sit down for it every day. Maybe that whole difference.
but that's nobody don't know you then. Cause if I lock up in the house every day, how you go? Nah, you're not going with nothing then if I that type of
No, me one with things. Me I make money off of my phone and I can survive off of it. I'm very much alright. I don't need nobody. I don't want nothing. Yeah, I'm quite alright. Me feel like me also can go maybe buy one store or something.
Wow. Well, I need to learn that because I'm not making any money at all. God knows I need to learn that.
Yeah.
God knows.
And you see one thing though. You see some of them are scammer. You have to watch. You see one of them will bet high, a scammer. So you have to
Morning,
watch.
cousin.
Hello, cousin.
Hello.
Hello.
What
Nothing. You just pop up. So where you come from?
Come look for your girl. Me I come here, you talk about trading. What is trading?
Girl, I myself don't know. I just go on YouTube and find easy ways how to make money. I'm see trading and then we just watch a couple tutorials and then bloops.
Hey, make what about money?
Of course, I want to go 50 grand and make a man in a man baby.
So you think you can save some of the money there? You probably can do partner. You think about partner, girl? Do partner.
Girl, no partner. Boys you throw partner and somebody will throw it with God dead before you get the money. Where you have the ball? Your money gone, you can't get that.
You can't think about that.
So what you think about that?
A true.
What you really think
I agree with him totally.
You want your partner and somebody dead?
Me nah give them a chance. Dead with who for money, you hear that?
And the next thing too, what if me to a partner and the woman thief and I can't find him in fly to a country? What am I gonna do?
Me I throw 50 grand a week when if I collect my 50 million, no money. Oh me I go to mad house. Half of that.
You know, girl, just think about the partner, girl, and the right thing to do. Can you do what I want to put in their house?
No, you can't tamper my phone. They make you about online. Yes, I got.
Suppose somebody hack it and take it.
Nobody can hack it because nobody now say this phone of the hack nothing.
Oh well, I come face out, but I go up on the road. What do you with that maths?
Look here, I'm not breaking a maths. Tell me English.
Later.
So. Yeah.
My sister make you all that money. So you get there about partner. Nobody ever throw partner rich.
So brother, you know looking at house that
Hello, listen to me. Me accommodate you for give you a room to stay, but me not response to whatever you man. You know have money. Your money are the shop,
fast food in the kitchen.
Yes, because I have the money to buy the fast food, so I go buy fast food every day.
Oh, so
Me
you
not
can
go
buy
buy
fast
cooked
food for
food.
me too?
Hello, me give you a road to stay home.
So you're going to be there and get you hungry, me now, right?
No, me can give you one or two times, but me not tell you say, see you inside time me there, me I go feed you. You have man though, and your money at the shop, you know?
Me and my man catch up.
Well, on and catch up, and you go back, you go on to him, and make them say I want food.
So you go buy something to me time.
One time. Today alone. Tomorrow, we'll figure out this. Can't do this.
Hold on. You know me know your friends somewhere?
You know me from. Oh, you know me, I'm not God road.
You don't got run it up. You know your friends somewhere. You look familiar to you?
When you look familiar to me, me know him.
Yeah, yeah, but me not to know everybody.
Me don't know what I wanna do.
I'm God road, someone don't know what you're talking about.
Bob, me know you. Out of group chat.
Oh.
Me know you.
Yes, me did
I
that.
don't say nothing wrong with my memory.
Yeah,
me
me
know
come
you.
out because I be a thief and thing.
I come out too. Same. I pay a thief and everything I want another time.
But I'm good about something that thieving is good. And I know that it's good to thief.
Huh?
Girl, what?
Thieving is good. It's good to thief.
Listen,
Girl, shut your mouth.
thief, I don't believe in that.
Me not believe in no thieving
I
or
don't
robbing
believe
or
in
nothing.
thieving thing. We just a trade and
I
keep it
make
clean.
money and live
You
my
see me?
life. Keep
By the road, me I
cool.
got still no time for no thieving. But pick up yourself.
Yeah, look at yourself too.
You need to go to church. You know.
So sharp, big head boy.
You need to get amplified. You need help. You
I
want
mean, need help,
Jesus.
boss.
You think so fit thief and so good something?
No, but yeah. Yeah, me think. Thieving have to go on. It's to make the world balance. It's to balance the world.
How you go balance it? Tell me
If
how.
nobody not thief, nobody not got jail.
If world not go balance, so at least my tax money will get to come back to what? To Jamaica or everything.
No, well, you can't do thieving and that like trading. But me, I beg you, please remember to pay the father. Me know one woman when her dead and she not run off.
Me no business. I don't want that. And look here, my mattress are never fail me yet. Me save with myself. Me
Supposed to
partner
house
with
bun
myself.
down, girl.
Me not lift up a mattress can with me. What me I go do? Yeah, you ever come here with your little rubbish and your shenanigans?
Me, I tell her, say, you must show a partner. Show a partner is right. Just like our trading is right. Show a partner.
Me not have to throw a partner. Me tell her already the online banking on my phone is working pretty well. So I don't need nothing of that and nothing of that. So you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna go where you say we're gonna go and then we're gonna come back on my yard because I wanna continue trading and I can't trade without Wi-Fi.
No, girl, that me da call you for. Me da call you for that. For tell you, say, you fi do. When name again? Partner. Cause probably I did a big head brother. Now they make you do it. So that's why I can't tell you. That's what I tell you nothing else. We don't know where they go.
No, I know him. Me and him been like that. I don't want to turn a partner. They can't give me money anytime. I'm not in that. You see money when me would done holler, me would done use that by a gun and I walk up to whosoever I'm to a partner with pop, pop, pop. Don't like that.
Okay then.
Me not run this so just
It's like you make up your mind. You can't go back to your yard.
I'm going.
Bye.
Follow me go back where you came here.
Me not follow you, my girl.
Alright, okay.
Yeah, girl.
Come on, me here, I'll call me.
Bye bye. Nice. It was nice seeing your cousin. Bye. I can't be you don't want to a partner. Why you don't want to a partner?
Hello.
Hello.
Can you see here?
No. You like I knew you to the area. What is the problem?
I look for my brother.
And how man I know your brother look like?
Him Bob, him short and him head big and him black.
Oh! Me see him walk gone down the road. Down the road in gone. Yes, that big head boy. Me see him gone on the road.
How long you take a bicycle to meet me hungry? Should I buy me so far?
She's just going to buy something for you eat and you're big girl. You could have walked by yourself.
Do not go to book bicycle. You don't know nothing.
And what do you?
Girl, I want to pass it.
Like
I
what?
like tell people my business.
Come here, so girl. Me no people. Me a alien.
Alright, alien. I don't know your name.
My name
My
Kayla.
house burned down, alien.
My name Kayla.
Kayla.
Your house burn with you? Oh God. So where did you burn on your house?
I know me and my boyfriend did a fight. And I walk out to do and light the house a fire. When I come back, I just see it. So.
I'm sorry, but me can't put you up.
Me never asked if you put me up.
We can tell me see house burn down.
Me live with my brother.
Oh. No one day long up in face gone on the road. And you upset in the morning.
Me?
Yes.
No one get a game bun. I don't know.
Well, anyways, what's your name?
Me? Tiana.
Well, my name Kayla. It was nice meeting you. I don't have time to talk to. Yes, girl. I don't have time to talk to broke people. So bye. You look broke.
Anytime. Oh, no, kill the father. That's me that people. Yeah.
Where there, sister daughter?
But you may wait for where food you can buy.
I never go buy no food, but they go walk. You see me go walk, I say, never buy no food. I think they don't cook. They don't cook.
You let no ear so fi cook. Yeah, me cookie burger, bag and something for you.
What you know? You're there here now, you're supposed to can cook. You understand? You can't afford fast food in here. You understand? You can afford it, you can afford it for me alone. But it's very expensive. You understand? We can find ourselves bills and I told you for myself, but to me, expensive, so yeah, we're gonna start cook. So
Mackerel rice in there, so Jack mackerel rice in my hooper.
our food, not my house, not in the seat. If you
You say
see,
you no cook.
I do not cook, but I have them. You understand?
Oh.
In case people like you, no,
At this
sister,
thing.
no, miss, no, I'm not this thing, but people like you see me? I don't eat them something.
What me I got eat? I
Yeah.
go find when you did left toes last week. Eat buy one juice, buy one ice you know. If you
This
let
is
me
a
be
big
dead,
responsibility, you know. You
you know wanna
understand?
beat me?
Yeah?
You know wanna beat me?
No, that's the what kind of conversation. They go and cook whatever you're sitting there. You see mackerel rice, you cook mackerel rice.
Have a cookie? You can't just
You're
buy
hungry?
food.
You're
But me
hungry
tell you
now?
some me want food, fast food. Me need to more cook
No,
food.
you're left away. They come here, come see me and you want fast food and you claim say you want fast food. Go and go cook
You
whatever
can't
you're
bother to
sitting
go
there.
cook. You
Oh,
can't go cooking.
me
Well,
can
you
go,
have to
me
more
can,
try
me
what you
can
go
go buy
do.
a fast food and you know that?
So I buy two of them then I'm
Me
done
can
and
buy
I'm
one
also
fast food
off
to
for me.
me. So it's either you go cook, if you don't cook, you go left hungry, so you think about it. Anyway you want it. You want the clothes, you want something to eat.
Sitting for you.
Then go and go cook. Simple as that. Look rice and mackerel and take no time.
Just pay a little sitting and then me can't bother to go cook. I'm in my bed, please.
That's how you should never, your man should never catch up. Come here and tell me, you want this, you want that, you want this, you want that. Girl, bother with me. Titi! Titi! Come here, no man. Come here, I got something to tell you.
I call up my name so for you bed. You dying?
Hmm?
You dying?
Almost.
Almost. What happened?
The food. Like,
You don't want more?
me no want no more. My belly full. Me alright. This is enough. But here one. You saw the food, man.
So you just want to say that when you're done?
No, what you know? Alright, between me and you put me feel like you put too much salt, you put too much gravy, because me take up it like the water, very watery and it very, you feel no way. Yeah, my sister. Me never come out with concern, sister, you can't cook. Me I tell her in the yard.
That's why you should have cooked.
You salty, the mackerel, me don't know where you do to the mackerel. The white, like,
You put
the
catch me in
mackerel,
there.
catch me. You put catch me in a this, no.
That's why I'm telling you, say, buy the thing out of road, carry go and give. Actually, me can't do better.
Titi, me no believe say I left your kitchen and your man kitchen. Me believe say your man left you because you cannot cook. As my sister, you need to can cook.
No, I him cook. That is the thing. I him cook.
The food start. You know, taste too right. I'm feeling like me have running belly.
Me no see a sashi.
Listen, belly
Have
hurt
you
me.
juices?
Yeah. Okay. You could do the better. So I say, take the plate now.
Me carry one full plate and look on the plate now.
You never carry one full plate, so.
If plate did full, the plate was full.
I mean, I talk and you just bowl with it, so you can't say I try like you're proud of yourself, no. You're proud of what you do.
I'm sorry. You near me phone and when you done you tell me say salt. When you take it for spoon, you come no say salt. Yes, yes, but
No,
God.
look what you do. You put the salt under the rice and you cover it up back. So when you reach down in it now, and
Let's
the
say
time
5
there.
spoon of salt, you have to put in a rice. So I put 6 just to make sure.
Yeah, idiot.
I am a
Awa,
better
where you
member.
born? Who born you? Which hospital you born? You not sense.
You see, man, where your mother make you cook.
Go
You mean
on,
I
hello,
argue
go
with
on
you?
then, go on then.
You think should have chew up you?
You just stick to me fast food.
Crazy.
Wait, come here.
You want more?
No, come here.
Alright.
You're trying to talk to the pizza man?
You man?
The pizza man.
If left me and left for a problem, don't question about my
Alright,
relationship.
okay.
Our situationship.
No, me see why your man left you. You and your man catch up. You cannot cook. Your man not gonna left your girl. Well, I don't understand how young people still.
Yeah.
How was English?
What do you mean by it?
Yeah, so we're not gonna let you do maths and English or something foolish.
Oh no! You're gonna just come from Europe to tell me about partner again.
Partner.
Mm-hmm.
So you have a true partner?
No, I'm telling him no, obviously not. Me think about you say, oh man can dead. Anything can happen.
Yeah, so I've been on 2 days in this, you know, cause me value my money, you know.
You turn a very hard earn, and it take money to make money.
And that me I tell you, as a matter of fact, you know, say, it take money for true. You can't lend more than 200 US. How what?
Me I lend you $100. What you have to cook your neck for? Oh. Me I lend you $100.
So,
And you say anytime I give me back $100, then me lend you $200.
but that don't make no sense. At 200, me need to do what me need to do.
Oh, well, it make it make sense. Then you go work with what you have, because you not make no money to pay me back.
Who sells something I make no money? Where you hear that from?
If they make money, or the company to borrow money.
Sometimes make my doesn't have the money at hand. Go about me no want to go. Who sells something I make money? Well, anyways, I hear that. Thank you so much.
Yes, it's very much appreciated. You look, you say me and your brother and I'm moving up and go also.
Yes. I doubt me a talk, but would I give you a hug? But to you ever chat today, girl? I don't know what you do. Thank you so much. Maybe I can get you back on that.
Yeah, that's like you want to have interest in me though.
I feel like I'm not give you a hug, but I can give you back on the songs again. But yeah, man, you don't need enough to do it. Thank you so much,
Yes.
my loving sister.
Yes, keep them coming.
Alright.
Gosh.
See, girl.
What one, Kayla?
Come here.
How on?
What me there, good?
Yeah, man, me alright.
Oh, girl, no, say ask me that because I know nobody who have money.
Have money. I was in trading wise.
Yeah, girl, you have no more mental about already. So me I say if you nobody want no money, could have put it on trading, so me could have make some money on Bitcoin. I know I invest my money them. So me can buy a house and buy a car, and even you me can give back some of my money and make you go build back your house that can come out to your brother house.
Me not really know nobody, you know, and the thing is, me not want to link none of my family members.
Oh, but yes, me then not over there.
Me not want to link none of my family members them, and then when a time for get back the money we borrow from them, you run off with the money coming in. No, you like that? No disrespect or not take it offensive.
Me not take your offensive, but you are taxi. But girl, me and your friend, no, me not run off with the money. When me run off with the money for girl?
Me
After me and a
when you
thief.
born.
Girl, we not reaching the level yet in our friendship, but me see I know you, girl. Every time I say me coulda go to somebody's and get the money and reach out and go left, you know. I true me know your situation and your brother have put up your house burn on your brother to put up you. So me don't know things are going. So me say me that help you helping and but anyways, you don't have to worry yourself. Me will deal with the maths. Me we get it calculated and get it right. Me deal with it, you understand?
You still me?
So yeah, we don't build up the trust and me don't do get the evidence. We do it and show you. You understand?
Yeah,
Later.
Aye.
Yeah, look so.
No, I'm tired because I come from the banker. Boy, well, I'm back and everywhere.
Hello.
I'm trying to must know why you. Hello.
But I feel like the VIP than a bank right now.
Yeah, so my first start party, man. Then we give more higher road.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah, what's up now?
Good morning.
Good morning.
I ask you say if you have any money, could I lend me a loan?
So you match up to her? Sis. You match up to my sister.
Look here. You see, even if me did how many feel any alone, I don't feel like me don't get alone because you know why? You ever come here with your little schemes and shenanigans and me feel like a millionaire the money me not get it back. If me I get it back, me don't get it back in the next 5 years or 3 years.
No, I get it back quick time.
Oh no.
Quick time.
Yeah, see you with you know. You ever depend something and do something them do some trustworthy.
Oh, partner. You know nobody sensible to a partner.
Yo, even me a throw partner, me don't throw partner with bank. Yeah.
This is the reason why I don't like come beg black people anything.
This is the reason if I work and stop beg black people.
This is you can't lend me the little money, me go and give you it back, me go and return it.
Me feel like more like that, but me think about it.
I'm not sure, bro.
Tell them what I want from you with.
Oh.
Something important, you're going to back money quick
How
time.
important today?
Just not say important, they can't tell about it. Just not say important.
If you look here, you say what, that's all like say I want book a flight and go. No, my dear, I don't have $300 right now. I go to bank this morning and I deposit everything.
Because we can't feel like go back down there and deposit it.
No, I don't feel like more than that. That's not too much fun.
Think about it then, just think about it.
Me think about it tomorrow, me link you back. But you see, right now, I don't feel like...
If you don't link me tomorrow, me can't link you.
Yes, you can link me then. You
that's
me figured.
Alright.
Yes.
Remember, you know?
Yeah, me remember.
$300.
Yeah, it was $200.
$300.
$300.
And I can't do it, you know? Me believe in you.
I believe in myself, so I not get it back. What about your business?
Come on.
If you didn't want to take a code and just to say, come here and chat more, get back.
No, she have no money.
You say, you know I had to individual work. So you see, if you give me back your money, I'm not going to get it for now. I have a TV, I'm going to take for a robber or something under cause. Boy.
I don't still know. I don't know if you should lend me money, but I like one time and I look up at him. Maybe you can't change out and dirty ways now. You know?
So, I know you say you call that change. The only thing when I see change for my clothes and in hairstyle, no, so no else change.
People are chance, man. They can't just believe some people. Just go out.
I believe saying I'm going to change, but just not believe saying that I'm going to change in this lifetime. Yeah. Back to you more. You don't feel like I don't know if you get married.
Married for what?
No, your life not sad.
Okay, not sad. No, girl, this year me alright. You know, remember so what I did married, I don't have something happy in life while I'm single. But still, me feel like me go marry, you know, but just not right now. Probably when I find the right girl. Yeah. You don't feel like a time to get on, man.
Oh no, me right by myself. I can't take care of myself.
When you
No,
fall
yes.
off, you know.
Yeah, but that too. But you see, before me run go have boyfriend, I want to have a house, I want to have a little car, so no boy no feel like so they have no over me or anything.
Yeah,
so if they say no, me just.
Yes, cause you have a boy sugar mother then.
No, which be with sugar mommy.
If you have a house, car, land,
no,
donkey,
me have to have that for myself, or a boy have to go have that for himself too. Cause you see nothing I me go to stay with him. If he run me up, me have my place to go back to.
Yeah, that makes sense, you know, but if you're rich already, it makes sense. You just take up one poor man, cause two rich people just want to make it real harder for everybody. If you're rich, I'm gonna do somebody else rich.
No, make it real harder, cause you know why I can't donate money to charity, I can't help poor
charity
people.
you don't believe in
well,
that.
me go help poor people then.
How?
That me go do. Like a little couple of them on roadside, when you see them, and they say, you can't buy me this, you carry them and you go buy them clothes and so on, you just pay for one little room or so for 1 month and make them look working at that the 1 month there.
Oh, you're ambitious, huh? I'm not going to say that not good, but I don't believe in that.
Oh, well, me believe in it.
So you just need to work on getting a man now in your young years before you're old and grey.
Oh, well, me say about that, if you go look a wife, you're single for over 23 years, can't really have it.
Hello. Bob.
Huh?
What going on?
I'm good, man.
You don't feel like you want to make more money, you don't feel like you want to be richer.
Well, me have a little money. You don't really want to know. I have a little money, I can do my thing.
See, you don't know about it, my brother, my two cousins, they were in that area, the richest cousin them in that area.
Yeah, me know your
Top
family.
notch cousin them, you know.
Yeah,
You don't
man.
want rich like them.
I don't really mind style. As me, I say me have a little bit of money where I can go and finance myself with, you see me? So I don't really need it. reach out and draw whole heap of attention to
You
each
not
other.
drop attention, you see attention draw to them?
No, well, them different. Everybody have the same luck. You understand? Me know your family. Me know them are who.
Sometimes I like talk to people like I want, because people like I don't have no sense.
But you know,
Me I talk to you about money, you behave like you don't want to make money. You don't want to make money?
yes, more make money, yes, but phone way how we make money, we make few money different.
How you make your money then? Why the difference with that?
My money clean, you see me? Clean money we work with. I don't know what kind of money we do. Phone money, but free money. Nah, man.
You
You
don't
see me?
like chat to people like I want.
No, and about that,
People like I
maybe.
never broke my vibes.
No,
So me
maybe
talk
me
to you
can't
about
think
money.
about it.
What have you do? Then me I want $300 US and make you get more than the $300 you give me.
Oh, okay. I'm sure this is going on.
Wait a go.
So,
Me I invest the money for you.
me figure a money, so me can get a money.
Yes.
You see
Your
why?
whole heap.
You see why my money different now for the money? Me not have to give no money to get no money, no, me just get money. But me have to give you money to get money.
This is say you're an idiot. Me don't like chat to people like I want, because people like I don't have no sense in them. I'm friend in front
don't
of me,
know what
man.
me a go
Move
say.
in front. Come here talk to you about money, you don't want to make money. You don't have no sense.
You know, me think about you and say, but no one know.
Oh man, that's stupid.
Ah,
Like your
yes,
sister.
Hi, good afternoon.
Good
young lady.
afternoon.
I beg you a minute. You know a young boy named Bob?
Bob.
Mm-hmm.
Bob.
I'm supposed to be down this lane somewhere.
Who? Black Bob?
Mm-hmm, in black.
Me just attacked to that black shot dwarf boy there, you know. Me know Bob, man. He just gone on the road, I'm a tafa.
You know Bob and him is dwarf?
He not tall, he short. Me just see him.
Okay, how him say, the one you know?
He short and he head big and he black.
Yeah.
Eh?
Yeah, so.
And they attack to one lady.
You know what?
No? She just asked me about Bob.
Titi, you know this girl?
Yeah, I'm a friend.
Your friend?
Yeah.
And she sounds so rank.
She not ring. Get used to it.
What problem, ma'am? Are you what this?
Mother.
Are you mad?
Yes,
Yeah,
the
really,
same
madam,
dwarf
because she
Bob is my son you talk about.
Oh, you know somebody that talk to you, me think say you and Bob there, you know? Cause she
Little
never,
girl, you ain't confused.
she never tell me you and Bob are
Big
what.
woman like me, you come and ask if me there with Bob.
Yeah, me have to ask you that because you see sometimes young people love the old people.
Me don't know about other people, but me name Charmaine and me is a different people. You hear?
Alright, Charmaine.
So don't fry me in the same fat as them. It's my son me I look for, not my boyfriend.
Well, you look for your son, you find your daughter shall lead you to your son.
I want what's a syrup.
Make you wash down and me make him bite me.
Control
Control your mother.
Bike, you.
Man,
Control who?
Mommy, can't
Control who?
embarrass
Little and
me.
ripe like a what?
You're all alright.
Embarrass me, man.
And stop lick me. Right and ring. Don't ever do that to me again. Me not like it here. I love it when everything loving.
You do a lot.
Say you no key.
No, I'm not the key yet.
You know your phone for phone him.
Phone in the house.
Alright. Why? The heart of hope him come soon. You have any idea where him can be?
No, mommy.
You don't know him now, man, you go. Lord, and the sun a beat down for me and no shelter.
No, she won't come.
Mm-hmm. So how you are doing? How you doing? What you doing for yourself?
Try to come work.
Mm-hmm. Like what? What kind of work, so?
See, baby.
Ah! So what, me not happy to see me?
No, say me not happy to see you. Me happy to say yes. But you should call in no phone. Call me. Me I come look for you.
Me have to phone you when me I come look for my son? I saw it really gone to now. Me have to make appointment.
No, mommy, but you know, you have a car. Trust me, I have dog and dog bite you over out on the road and then something there.
Me live till 47 and dog me bite me yet.
You have a car, no. So what happened now? I want to bring us so far.
Why? Me really come for see. Every minute me and every time I phone you, I ask for any little thing, any money. You send it quick and fast. I'm grateful. But me just have to really come and check where this money I come from, so out to the blue. Cause me don't know if you having no job and big job like that.
So, mommy, you believe say your son do bad thing to get money?
I don't know if I believe
Mama, me
right,
ask
you
you a
know,
question,
because you have work.
Me ask you a serious question, right? You feel say if you come up here, you are going to see me at the money on the yard?
I don't know what me I go
You
see.
could have asked me about the phone, you know? You're not going to come see me on
When
the
two
yard.
I make four, me can read better.
Oh,
Over the phone, I just voice and sound and decibels and
Mommy?
decibels.
It's like a group of them and I want trading something we ain't get money, but I know me can't get no money.
Trading.
yes, mommy, we trade, you know? How we get. You're not age now. Nothing you don't understand me. But nothing bad. Money clean and everything. Everything good.
Be careful, you know. Be careful, cause me no want nothing. Me no want have to go station for no. Me no want nothing happen to no.
My mind tell me say,
Excuse me, can you give me the key, please?
my mind tell me say, from me coming here and me see your mind tell me say, you have a talk about you don't want gas station for me, you don't want this.
I'm on the
I'm not doing
best
nothing
phone now.
bad. Ask somebody who are young about trading and how trading works. If you don't believe me.
Well, from it legal and you not do nothing funny and nothing illegal where you have to look behind you and police or run it down. Me no want have a life to police you either
Excuse
or
me.
no.
Mommy, can I go cook some food, please?
Me just come from how far from bus and taxi and everything. You know cook already? Do that thing so you cook for your brother.
Mommy, between me and you know what she cook again? She
What
don't
me?
want she cook me up. She a big girl, she cannot cook. She salt the rice is very potty and it's like a pie she make. I don't know what she's making.
Mommy,
She
fault.
cannot cook.
How is it my fault and me teach you what
You're
to
not
do?
ever hungry. You're not ever hungry.
So me teach you from when you know how to cook, Bob?
Yes, me can
Ah,
cook.
who
Mommy,
teach you?
Mommy,
Who teach you?
You want me learn
Alright.
I be a burger, right? When I go in the kitchen, I say, I be a
no, mommy,
burger
because
pizza.
when
You
you
know,
know
cook.
me tired trading or something tired me or something, grab a one burger or something, I go cook every night.
The difference is knowledge, my girl. If him know how to cook the thing and him choose to eat burger and them fast food thing, it's for his body
Yes,
man
mommy,
look
but
after or not
she
look
can't
after.
cook none at all.
But
So
you
even if
learn
she
me
could have
teach
cooked
you.
and she choose to eat something else, she
Mommy, you
cannot
must say
cook.
me can't cook, but you slap off the food the other day.
No, I have no choice.
About 2 rice when left back in a
I have
plate.
no choice. Hunger was in a
I'll get lick you.
yeah, but me got tired afterwards. But
You know
as
me
me
I
I
come go
say,
in.
You know,
me
say.
not say if you make you feel no way, no, but you have to limit your salt. And next time you come, let me
Mommy,
throw
don't it
salt
a
in there.
5 spoon of salt to go in a rice and put
You see?
6 to make sure.
Jesus! You want to kill me with pressure. How much?
Yeah,
I
me say,
want mommy that I did say when me little.
No.
So how you tell her to put 6 spoon of rice in
No,
the pot?
you ever
No,
see
she
me
said
do that
5
yet?
and me put 6 to
No,
make
you
sure.
ever see me do that
Mommy,
Go on
yet?
then, go
I'm
inside,
You
go
taste your
inside.
pot. Oh
Go on
my
inside,
God.
go on inside.
No, sir. Maybe you're right.
Between me, I think if you teach her then something here. She can't have boyfriend and then something there.
She have cook ahead. Because
Man, you
me
need to
teach you
teach
to
her
own how
man.
to cook. And you can cook. And she can cook. Or you choose not to cook the right thing.
Anyways, you
I'll
realize
do
where the
something
money
while
come
me
from
there.
now? You realize where money come from now?
You don't fully understand this
Yeah, we
trading, but may
understand.
take your
If you're
word
young,
for
we
it.
understand.
What age have to do with everything?
No, just I say.
Age is
Your brain,
blessing, my son.
yes,
I
it's
hope
very
you live
blessing.
to see this age.
Okay, praise the Lord, hallelujah.
Where you turn me
Amen.
around so me can't come in your son place?
Mommy, you see, you never tell me, you want to come inside and you see you're coming to find out, so walk safe, please, and enjoy. Alright, mommy, yeah.
Alright, without the
Come.
invite you going to provide it. It's
Mommy.
alright. It's too hot. TT, Bob, TT. Come out a minute, please. We can't manage the hot house. Just want a quick word. TT, first, let me ask you something. But the thing sad joke Baba tell me about the salt, you know. What make you put some salt in the food for you? Oh God.
Because I love it salt.
No, sir. The thing's a joke. I'm talking assault, my girl. You ready to tell me the truth? What happened with the house? How your house mysteriously burned down, sir?
Come on, I didn't hear about that.
Me and your mother, me no must hear. No matter where you dated in the world, me know what's going on with the two of them. So what is the real truth? Come remember, see me here already, you know.
Me not tell them.
Oh.
Mama, I tell her, so I go get her a place to stay, you know. And look, one room. Just start her if it's something, when I start her if it's nothing big, because you know them are young and nowadays, they make man take over, run them out, one bag or something. But me, I'm going to watch her still. And the burn down story too, what I would really want to know too, how the house burn down. Yeah, listen to me. How the house
Different stories me I hear from the one you tell. And I tell different people. You see a liar, they must have good memory. You tell different people, different things, and me hear what really happened.
I tell nobody about my house. Nobody.
Might not be today, might not be tomorrow. Or watching the dog have to come into the light. You hear my girl?
Come here. I go check my friend.
No,
so
but nothing
know
down.
about the house. Alright, go
Sure.
She thinks so we born yesterday, you know.
I don't understand, I don't know. You believe what she say?
Me hear different things from reliable source. She thinks we're idiot. But what? We tell her, watching at the dog, have to come in at the light.
I'm going to watch her still.
Watch her, but it's a good thing you're doing for your sister. Me gone. Me soon come.
Alright.
What one?
Yeah.
Girl.
Everything.
I guess a girl, the trading gone up. The trading the sky high, it a rocket, it a take off.
I go on your trading business and I'm still not believing that there's something there.
Girl, don't worry, I'm gonna do. He said, I'm making money, I'm carry on show you. I'm gonna surprise you. I just say trading at work. You need to start putting the money, you need to start investing money. You need to start giving me the money, brother, you need to start invest. Because if you not invest, so when me get rich and I get no. Cause you never believe in it.
No,
but anyways, you know, see your mother, me want to see. How she there?
She don't yard. Don't yard and go and say she wants to tell me more say about say. Me hear about you and I want to find out what happened to it us with you. And somebody else me not gonna do it here. Me your mother me have to know and one day if I not today or tomorrow you have to confess. So me say okay.
So I really go and make the house burn down.
Girl, me not tell you already. Me and my man in a argument and my man burn down your house. You think that's already?
So your mother say yeah, tell lies. So me I wonder if I lie, you tell me and then she
talk to my mother.
Me not talk to your mother.
I said to my mother, I said me tell you.
You just tell me say your mother say I lie, yeah, tell you need to talk the truth. And I hear what you say, my girl.
Me not so 100, but woman style me, yo, so me just let him know. Yeah.
Well, you're lucky. How much chili? Come and say first me again.
So when I go down the hill, the first turn.
Oh, I'm reaching the yard.
It's white board house.
Alright, later.
Alright.
With the lion self, big nose.
Mama.
Come on. Why you look so?
Just there think about it's not a job. Just there think about whether if me for go trading, whether if me for go bigger or me for turn when me there, me for go smaller. Cause me don't want to go bigger and then me go lose or get a big lose, you know what I mean?
Sis, man trading one pen. I don't like your band girl small. Man, you overthink it. Just smile sometime, man. You don't make a portion of money already. We don't make a portion, even though you have more than that. That's such is life. Just smile and enjoy life. When the time for you to go bigger, you will know in yourself.
Yeah,
yes. If you don't feel confident, it doesn't make no sense.
No, me just there consider. Cause you know say a whole heap of loss and everything there and that when you do it.
Yes, that is totally true.
Yeah.
Good morning, cousins.
Good
morning.
Part one. You know, some point to talk to you about the little business where you are doing with. I'm planning to come in that business, you know. When you teach me how to make money.
Alright. You want to learn how to make money, right?
Yes, you want to learn.
You want money?
No, I want money for me. I want money overall.
Well, you want money. You see that front yard you have right here? That's a big, large guinea tree.
Uh-huh.
In order to get money,
Yes.
you're going to climb it, or you're going to find a piece of bamboo, and you're going to jump down guinea, and you're going to wrap them up in bundles, and then you march, go downtown, and then you sell the guinea. Or if you don't want to sell guinea, you go over Mass James tree over there, the plum tree, where you look on right there, so, and you beg to plum, and you go sell plum. If you don't want that, you go over Auntie J over there, so, and you pick 2 mango, and you go sell it. A pear time right now, so if you don't want none of them, then you go sell pear. Pear we sell. Then I have it's all over, I can't tell you the same time for me.
Yeah, girl like me. You go walk and say plum, guinea, mango. You want mango? Come get your mango. No. Me go at the sun. Look how me black. Me black actually. Me go at the sun and melt. Me I go melt.
Are you want money? No,
sir.
Me have money when me there. Alright. Are you want money? Say, are you for decide whether you want to do that? Sometimes you gotta do things that you don't want to do to get money. Nothing no come easy in our life like this.
Me sorry, but me now do that. So you can't just think, boy, you can't lend me the money. Remember, yesterday, if I come today, I'm going to come today.
Well, I don't got none. My bank everything. I don't got none. I'm bank locked today. My bank everything. Bank locked today.
So you think about it and help me?
Me tell you, sell guinea and get the money if you start it up. You can't just sell one start up business without money.
So you can't give me a head start. You can't give me a help.
Hey, look here, head start for me geared. No mind shot me push you till you drop you. No one must start in a life.
Just think about it.
Think about no, or you find other ways to make money. Yeah, you can find other ways. There are plenty of ways.
Just think about it, man. Just sleep on it.
If I sleep and get up and everything I remember and live in my bed. So I go sleep on it and live it.
Hello, David.
Hi.
You are going alright?
I'm great, you know. How are you?
I'm fine. You're not helping me too.
Oh, my sister done the teacher formula already. One more help you want for
me tell you, go on YouTube. Go on YouTube and learn how to trade.
But you can't help me.
Me can't teach you because on YouTube me learn off of YouTube. You must can't learn. So you just do there and follow what they say.
You're a hot girl, me can't teach you. Remember, I'm a hot girl. I'll teach me how to dig cement and fling bucket till me know one and two seconds.
Exactly.
Come on, man. Let me tell you.
You help me?
Just trust God and do the hard work. That type must help me.
You can't help me.
Yeah, may I give you advice? One more help you want? I'm a sister helper. My sister give you advice too.
No, let me give best help where you can want. You see, it's when you go to your bed tonight,
yes.
You go turn north here, that means forward.
Yes.
It's when you go forward, you go down on your knees and you cross your hands and you close your eyes and you pray to the Lord and Jesus Christ to deliver you, sister. I see no more help that you can possibly need. God is the truth, the way, and the life. You see, if you have him, you don't want no more in a life. So, you see me, no, tomorrow you have to go to church to go cleanse the soul, repent, go by your knee and repent. Remember, I will put teeth in everything when you do. I hit a come around now, can harm you. So turn around and turn for Jesus Christ and go give your life to God. Come, one go baptize.
I'm going to read that Jesus, I'm not coming.
So you're not coming, but you want help.
Oh, God. Me shame. Jesus.
Yo, no go ahead and pick them. No go ahead and pick them.
Say one thing that is so. God alone can help him. All about Sunday when doing a life, I hit a come back and haunt him right now, and God alone can help him. God has saved where him want in our life. That if you know too much for God, me I go in here, me I go lay down, come bring a hat me.
Hello, Miss Charmaine.
Hello.
How is things going?
I'm giving thanks. You good?
Yes. Miss me the sign what an interesting detail about your daughter.
What's that?
About why she come my brother yard.
Yeah. How you find out, sir?
Give a find out, say, as she bond in her own place. Yes. And also get to find out the reason she bond in the place is because she catch her man in the house with 2 women. Not 1, but 2. So she got crazy and mad and bond the house and run come here so to take over in brother little cottage. In come for running brother out of this year. What kind of dad that I have?
So tell me something, where you hear that from?
Don't worry about that. Teeth and tongue tell me.
You know, see, it's kind of close to what me here still. But she can't run her brother from this. This is our brother house. This is my son house. So nobody can run him, not even me can run him from here, so.
Well, I want to hear still and ask a question.
Mm-hmm.
You sure your daughter, the one have the said, it told them have the said father?
Hey, you're a real mad girl, you know. How you can look pan me and look pan them and ask if it's the same father? Of course it's not the same father.
Oh, well, me ban jackass then, can
Must
kill
see.
me dead say, I the told come from the said father.
But anyway, what that have to do with you? All the same.
Now, I must check up on your family background, cause some things that talk out of the road me charm me and some bad things.
May I hear some of them, but what is in the dark must come into the light.
Well, me a say sales.
Mm-hmm.
Me I go around, I'm a business woman. I'm a business manager. I own a trading, I own a trading platform.
You do this trading thing too?
Yes. So I was wondering if you'd like to join in. You can make millions of dollars.
You know, sir, me don't know too much about that.
You don't need to know too much about it. You don't need to know. All you need to know is that you look at me. Yes, all you need to do. You see your son got money. You make your son give me at least $100 US.
Hey!
Listen, Charmaine, when you give me $100 US, you get all back 5, you know. Yes, that's how it works. You don't need an ID, you don't need nothing. All you need to do is set up a farm. That's all.
Okay. Let me just ask you if you're free. You say yes. So how 100 US coming at this?
You have to give to make. You have to give to make. Nothing life no come.
Me give my time and me give my services.
Help us tonight.
Me make me little money, me make little change, and that keep me till now.
One big deal a come out. Influence your son. They are a big deal.
Big deal, the only big deal me know a chicken and chips.
Remember, tell him. Big kind.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Me hear about the Bitcoin, but me not understand it, so me now got influence what me now know. Him have him own a mind here.
But you can't jump in like, you know, Charmaine. Think about it. So and think about it. You don't want to make money too. His son birthday, he gone already or he soon come?
He soon come.
Could I do you little something and give me a little money and me put it on face when his birthday come, you have big things, can celebrate his birthday with him.
Alright, me will look into the Bitcoin.
Look into the Bitcoin. Don't mention it to him. It's a surprise. Don't mention it to him. Think about it by yourself.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. I should look at Gina. Bitcoin. Oh, it's...
So, mommy.
Mm-hmm.
What boy, you good?
Boy, me giving thanks. Today I enjoy the view and I enjoy the breeze.
Well, today kinda nice, you see me?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So here me I said to you is that sit down for a piece of money, you see me? Because we do a little thing and everybody get for them share and then get for them piece of money.
Mm-hmm.
Now tell her a good amount of money, you know. Now tell her, you know.
And it legal?
Yeah, man, illegal. Nobody really know about it still. I just
okay. No, you're not tell too much people.
Yeah. No, I'm not telling too much people about it. Then I go rise up a big mansion, rise up. You see me rise up a big mansion and them look style.
I love how you always did have ambition, you know.
Yeah,
I'm proud of you.
We have to no, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Some of us are running by you for making us money and us say that thing go work.
Oh God, me love it for you. Me love it from you. And
hello,
good
evening.
Job. So how long you do this for?
Me not there a long time. Me not hear nobody about them buy no mansion now. They ain't get no piece of money. Me not hear nothing. One thing, this a age I don't hear nothing about mansion and nothing about car and big dim or anything.
How you can't tell me what me just get talk about?
I just talk about no. Me tell you things that my ears cannot hear. Hi, Miss Charmaine.
Hello.
You okay?
Hello.
You happy to see me?
No, you're too enough, really.
You're too rank. Where is TT? Yeah, she really come by your bones, please.
You know, rub up on my daughter, you know, rub your rankness up on my kids.
TT!
Oh. You know something I like you?
Sometimes it don't people like myself. We make up and see how me
You
look.
can see why.
TT! You can't call me daughter. You can't call the birthday sister.
Sit. Seriously.
Come here, girl. Come here, girl. Come here, girl. You know, say, my family go for go show you something. Me hide around, me start to have something to show you. Mommy and brother, me soon come.
Remember I tell you now, show me a company and I tell you who you be.
Come
What's
here.
the
And
road?
let's try and time.
Margaret, come on. Margaret, come
Mine.
on.
You know, like, anyway, and that me have chat for. So, what you think we should do?
I think you could do it, but really keep your mouth. You see how mouth and massy come in and hear you?
Yeah.
Mine, walls have ears and bush have ears. But go for it, I'm proud of you.
Alright then, I'm gonna do that.
You have my
That's
blessing.
all good.
Alright, now go around the back and
Alright.
Alright, stick on.
Yeah.
We need a job for me, see a girl. What one?
Not a thing.
Yeah, baby?
Chat to my sister, no me want chat.
Anyways, what going on?
Look, Confronting now. Because done this, I'm going to draw some money. Because I did say I have some things for me. I go check out today.
I saw what in my bag.
What me just tell us I go do?
You check out something, but I want to know where in my bag.
What me just say? What me say before? Me say me go draw some money. So what you expect in my bag?
That's so much money in my bag. Come and see it. Look, pull your bag, girl.
Girl, me,
girl.
No, too much touch the bag, you know.
I hate my say come out with the saltness. Hold me chips. See it there. A couple money in there.
Wow.
Left your hand top touch with the salty.
So you can't get some picture with it.
Where that want me to take picture of my money?
You must want to show people and make them feel they feel money. Like, when you know people, you chopper them, what you call them? Chopper.
Oh. How you do?
You one of them broke chopper there.
That one like you never do it too. You used to do it
This
too.
one here, first part of the machine.
No man, give one of the bricks. The big brick.
Look here, girl. May I give you a small brick? Where do the small brick? Every brick start from somewhere.
Give me a big brick for you, girl. One big brick. More look small as me give one big brick. I mean, no say.
We making you feel
That thief, you got to take me money.
No, girl. Remember you say you used to do it too. So you're going to used to do the things, yeah. You used to take people money.
Take me to show myself.
No, man. You know that brick. Look good in
Me
that.
not have no brick.
Brick in there. You know.
Look here, me not no brick. Me only have sun and mall. Me not no brick.
Me want to sell me go so.
Hey, Jesus. Hey.
Yes, when I brick, girl. That's so much money you have.
Yes, give me back yours. Give me. Skin off here.
Say, come out of my picture. Come out of my picture. Come out of my picture.
Let's see how making take up here. Can we take up here and give you back?
Take a picture, girl. Take a picture. How they take your stuff? Take a picture, girl.
One.
Yeah,
Let me
girl.
look with your black.
Be no business. Come take a picture. Take a picture. Take your money. Your money have to take.
Yeah.
Bad. Give him phone out. So anyways, you remember I look at money. You say you are going to think about him with the business.
Well, this a business you can put for a whole. If not, I go down a car matter. I go a real estate agent. I want a house. I want a car.
Oh, you know, you can't help me with the business. I started trading business, but I have money, so you can't give me
But
money.
on YouTube, girl. YouTube.
Alright. Me really want to help you. Hello. Me will pick it at them for you and you go sell them.
But me, I never cousin with a box in your face with the phone. You just say me no want to sell a guinea.
Me never cause me. Come on. Me I give you guinea part for me tree.
Brian.
Yeah, I'll get you free.
Come here, girl. I'm in a boat. Could I hide me phone? What? Yeah, thirsty. Okay, girl. Where you see much money from? Meet that with money. Brick that girl, brick. See that? You think I joke? You think I joking thing?
You never want this, Wally.
How do you do this?
Harry's one of me, one. So, why you get so much money, mama?
Girl, I did trading thing on me that. Tell you about I hit me do. You should give me money. I hit me do.
No, too
Look for the money again. In real.
So much money I give you do this. Cause I give a piece of food for you do it
Girl,
for me.
$100 US alone me do. 100 different amount. You see it? But it look for him. Me say, say, if you give me the money, you will get bigger money. But no, you don't believe in anything. So you get knocked. Fly me soon, fly out.
You are. I'm going to thief the money from my brother and you.
Yeah, girl.
Thief now.
Yeah.
Cause me ask me now go want give me.
Right, and that you have to do thief money, a long time for thief money. You saw me a broke in you say for thief.
So much me I figure though. To make more I make 600 million. How much me I figure?
You can give me 40 million.
My first me I make 600 million. Mama make sure not thief me now cause me trust you don't know.
Girl, you see thief in my palm of money right here, sir? Where you see there? Me and the big brick. Yeah.
So you don't know big plan, you know?
No, girl, you just make a mistake and put in a bank, me lodge in a bank. I mean, I'll take it, me can't get it back out right
You
now.
see when you get for me, just come lodge in a this a bank. Yeah.
Alright, so me get
The
for you,
bank, yeah.
so me get for you to go meet me up the road. Cause me say me can't come over here with the big money, make your people them know, make your people them know nothing
No,
about
girl,
it.
I'm between me and
I
you.
no go over your yard and
Me not say
talk
no,
your mouth.
not saying anything.
So yes, get the money and we can do business.
40 million, say, right?
Yeah. Your brother got it.
You have it. I'm not betting you have money. Me
Hold on
and
for
you.
this, sir.
Mama, me say
Me not drink ginger beer.
Say now give me Arizona.
Me not the money.
Whew, what a hectic day.
You know what I'm saying?
I say, right, so I go help my country now. Cause remember say we have to go do it me know say this year exactly a 1 million, right?
Yeah, they don't know been up so.
Mm-hmm. Right, we are home to just take them thing in our back and I can't sit
Yeah,
down.
so money out here, not still.
We have to go for them, okay?
I'm
We
sorry.
remember say we have to go for care man.
You know, so we have to go, I'm telling you, so if we buy our money count, cause right now this come like some poor people, so which people you know, which rich people you know count their money.
So I next one you 2 million. But they say which one I count though, I have to keep track on my spending. So that I too. This year 3 million. You feel like so we can get piece of land with this, not true?
You feel like we can't buy world with this. You feel like we should cause like give me a look at thing.
Me feel like me want give him one little thing, but we are going to me just not trust him, so me I go get him back.
And that. Just if you just come to me and say you want it, but
Yes.
you borrowing thing.
He borrow him, me not trust him. Come to me and tell me say, cause me want this, if you can give me this. Me more to give that time, but you come to me and borrow.
That's all. Me not like borrow. If you ask me for your money and borrow, me no want to look you.
Yeah, I bet. If you tell me borrow me, I go look back first. So tell me say you just want it to take simple.
Simple, right? That's all.
Actually, this is a 4 mil.
I feel like a time for we all something like price on your car, you know.
Yeah.
Maybe I'll build upstairs or something.
Or we can, what you call it? We can rent out here, so fix up here, so and rent it, turn in our Airbnb, and then we move from here, so.
Oh, you can't do it, you know. You can't use your money and buy one money, you know. You see, I will put money in a bridge on rich people, you know.
Me no business. This a rich girl, I want a rich man too. Life hard, me have to learn how to maintain myself.
Well, the thing I say,
And anything me say, anything I say, Allah.
I believe.
Right.
I know what I'm going to do still. Right now,
Money. Nearly around big cat here I come.
Hold on. Why you in such a rush to
My
go?
friend want emergency, mommy, me can't stand long. Mommy, me soon come.
Oh, well, Margaret, me follow you.
No, my
Alright.
boyfriend come, my boyfriend come, mommy, me soon come.
Alright. Me don't know, she just run out to the yard. Like fire take her skin.
Nossa, mas vou te
Yes, I know, oh God, me too blessed for stress. I know me happy. Oh God, me proud of me son, you know.
Come on, find phone.
Alright. Me call you back. Licky me, I'll call you back. Alright.
What money I'm putting on your house?
What money that you talk?
Me put on, mommy, the money when me and you been a discuss about. Me put on the money in the house and me
Me
come back,
see
me
no
can't find the
money.
money.
Me see money.
Are you know about my money,
You
you know?
talk about it to me. Me not see.
Lady, listen to me.
Lady, who
You
you
need
call
me money,
lady?
you need
Where
me
the-
money. Me tired of you now, man.
Hold on, spin your roll and come back and
You
talk
mean
to me
spin round
again.
and come back
And who
again?
you really think
Yeah,
you're
you me a
talking to
chat
this?
too.
Who you really think you're
Me
talking
put
to
money in
this?
the time,
And
me come
me
back
a
and me
call
can't
thief,
find. Where my
and
money
me a
there?
call thief, dirty
No,
boy.
we are
Ungrateful
boy.
wretch.
We are
And me a
boy.
call thief.
Hey, all man,
Call
listen to
me
me now, man.
civic, call
Listen to
me
me now,
thief
man.
again.
Listen to me
Me
now,
can
man.
thief your
Listen to me now, man.
little squallings.
Listen, a millions in this, you know.
Eh,
They
me know
talk
about
about
that.
squallings.
All me do is hear
You
about
say,
that.
yo, yeah, me I do such thing and me come back, me can't find money.
What's
Me
here?
tired of you, man. Come, guy, yard, no. Guy, for you
What's
come
here?
here,
You
for you
think
come
the
here,
tree
there's a
going
piss
on
in my
my
life, you know.
face? You
For you
think
come in, for you come here, nothing no go right. Me have my money, so me and my sister there how long? Not even $1 no gone. As you come here, money gone. What I'm to you?
Whoa!
Hmm?
You're me,
The
really?
business.
And me
The
a call
business.
thief. And me you really a
All
call
criminal,
thief.
listen to me. Bet you need to go
Everything me
yard.
do for you.
Who
Everything
you
me
mean
do for
by
you. Eh?
everything? Man,
Me
listen to me, man. Listen to
sacrifice
me.
everything.
Listen to me.
And
Listen to
you
me.
look me in my eyes and
Listen to
really
me.
tell me, say you really think say me can thief from you? Me?
I'm here alone there. My sister there. Me and I there. My money no miss. As you come here, how are you? Eh?
Hello, Miss
Me tired of
Charmaine.
yard, man.
Charmaine.
Oh God.
Me tired of
Come
man. Go
in.
yard now, man.
I want
Go back to your
Really?
yard, man. You follow me come here. You come up
No
here for.
problem.
Me not like
No
you, you know.
problem.
Me not
My
like you.
honest son. Me
Go
remember
on where you
this.
go, man.
Me
Me don't like
remember
you.
this. Me
You think I don't like
remember.
you?
Charmaine.
Problem. When dog will fight
Yo,
you,
we are there.
provided. Me
Come guy yard,
remember.
man. Come
No
guy yard.
problem.
I said, let me call you
Me
for.
not care. She not there. Yeah. Come on. Move. Go on your yard. Show. Move.
Man, you talk to me.
Go on the yard, man. One set of teeth, you know, be. What I'm two now. Lady, you have to come out of my place. Come on, where we headed.
And I wonder,
What up?
I wonder if me should buy a horse before a car, or me should buy a car before a horse. So I remember we have some stay right now with my son. I wonder me should buy a car first.
Fat rider, no horse, man. Fat ride, no horse.
Scared to me too.
Oh, God. That girl, look here. Look here. See, top not gonna have money. You real.
Shut up. Where thief that from?
Girl, I'm gonna thief people them money.
Where thief
You
it
call me,
from?
you call me tell me I pick again up and you can't thief people money. I show up like a fear.
Yeah.
Top thief. Me not thief no money. I'm my honest money.
Where you get money
Where
from?
you get it from?
Me other cousin from overseas help me night trade.
I lie you tell. No cousin not like you.
Are you me
cousin?
Me not have phone point. Say phone for me. Are you me?
Hey, remember my number here. Me have me bang a door. Hey, call a cousin.
Remember your number.
So I won't give people
Well, I
money.
am rich.
You don't teach nobody money. Why you think that?
Which part you turn from? In a, I never told you since we say not sure. Maximum money in a 2 there.
I'm serious.
I don't think I own alone can make money. Me not thief
I'm
it.
serious. I'm serious. I'm
We
serious.
never did say
No,
no, we
but you
alone can't make money, but
Because look at fight now, I can't give you back on. Girl, look
look
at
at
fight.
hold up to his son and see if he next said print out or
See
something.
like 1, 2 million. Where you get money from?
And my money, me earn me money.
So what you do?
None of you worry about what me do. You did tell me what you do? Go on YouTube. That was your advice.
So no, that me did do.
So that me do on YouTube. Me go up and make money.
Okay.
Congrats.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Bye bye.
Goodbye.
It's a TV piece, you know.
That thing I look at from, I know say I can't for my money. In called thief. It's thief in cousin.
Listen.
What are you?
My heart literally dropped through my body.
What me tell us say I can't for money? You show me you think that in your brains.
Why?
Oh, if you think
Remember say normally think I say why it's not impossible for you to
no man, that.
and remember say you know so we have money and collect money what day yeah. So we come over here call search because you know what we keep it key.
Me not tell you why. Me didn't have that in my brain. My cousin might feel, but he might not read that from with my money. Different thing that come through. Yeah, what man? Where are you?
There, man. I don't know some mother thief money.
What?
I don't know some mother thief money.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Me go put in my money, bro. Me go hide my money in one place in the house and me come back again.
What money in thief?
Oh, they have a bungalow US me about 2 million. 2 million. Going around 2,000 US, 3,000 US or so.
What you ask me?
Yeah, me just put in our bungle and just stash it behind and some things that me was. It gone. You see me, I'm mad at him, but I know she.
But I don't feel like your mother would have
And
taken the money.
she,
Why your mother would have
me and
want
my
it
sister did the whole long and the money, no money, no missing. And as mother forward, money start missing. How that?
Yo, and your mother teach your money, brother.
Right, but me not think of your mother.
Yo,
Why you don't think about
Which mother waiting for the one or so?
Must say your mother birthday in a dog.
Yeah, but what you know?
And your mother show me money and mother.
Mother ask her so, when your mother asks you for things, you know give her.
Yeah, me
I'm sorry, it's no reason I did it for thief. Why should I want thief?
Yo,
Just
just give some time, bro. You'll find the money. Maybe I misplace it.
Misplace one. I want place me go in, put on, step out back. Forward back.
who see you when you do it?
Me nobody, me never see nobody.
So your mother gonna know.
I say,
But mommy the other doing me forward.
but how am I going to say how money? I walk and flash in front of him and say, Mommy, may I go hide the money, this.
No, but me mentioned to her before me and idea what a reason, you know, me say, mommy, you know, so me have a piece of money.
Yeah, hold on, but biggest question, you have proof say she teach your money?
No.
Yeah, just be them now, cause my dear man she teach your dog yet.
Me not feel like your mother would have teach.
No, sir, me not feel like your mother teach your money. Me not tell her. Me don't know why, no, but just give some time.
Alright.
Yeah.
No, yeah, man, bless.
You think
You
about
think
that? Yes.
Oh, somebody else
No,
will bring some
no, say that you have no money, you know.
Everyone say couldn't never get so much money long man. Yeah.
But how it is with some money?
Well, that is for them to know and us not to know. Let us not get involved or included. That I know sense of something here. Me
Go
say.
cut my money again.
Yeah, call for me too. My boss will clear then.
Girl, what one?
Where you come from?
Girl, over here, you have me going things here over there, you know.
Where you go over there? I know you saw we text last night and we meet up last
Me
night.
think you that joke out the things I'm gonna have to come for myself. How?
You see joking now, yes, sir?
I'm sorry, man.
Okay. See it as something yet. So yes, my son, mama.
Come here, get the business done. Me little girl, you agree now.
Oh, so when may I get back mine now?
Tomorrow. You don't have the money too long. Tomorrow. They say, girl, the way on me, I think about the money. Not
Wait.
beard, me no
Wait,
beard.
Watch now. You see some money, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Me tell you how you set up. Me ain't go send me last night. So you see if me not get it back, something I'll do. No.
Are your brother money?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So anyways. So
girl,
tomorrow.
I put my beard.
No, to me that thing about the money. To me that thing about the money. So tomorrow, you link me after I
I
set
think about the
spot.
money like I pay your money. No business, me give you money for deal with me. Man,
That's
I
it,
lie, I tell you
no.
now.
And that's why I have to think, if me not think, me no want to mash up him, I have to think about it. So, that's how my name get enough of that. So tomorrow, link me up for 12 o'clock. Box in your face with the brick, girl. Link me up for 12 o'clock.
You must go through me 40 minutes.
Girl, I'm a matter of fact, if you don't come over your yard,
We'll see over
a piece of commotion over there for you. Later.
Where you going?
Hmm?
Where you look so? How
know,
me
so
is
now-
going over here?
I have to throw up mommy youth.
For what?
You know, some mommy thief me money.
So how you tell me say you never have no money? Let me beg you to buy the fast food you couldn't buy.
I know nobody will go there, so. You understand?
So
Nobody
why
will go
mom
there,
you that thief your money?
me don't know, like, remember me tell us I get a place here. Whenever I get no place, I just left this year. You see me? Cause this done the like, me I go left this year. Yeah, mommy thief me money and.
So mommy really like mommy to thief. She shouldn't do that. Me tell you now. Why you make she come down here? But your next one too, you just to get it.
When I check is that her mother, so.
Right.
Me put her out or something.
You put her out?
Yeah, me don't know fast.
Good. Me de Congo in.
And ready.
Mother, they have to know it.
Hello. How my cousin there?
With cousin.
Kayla.
Where are they at Panama?
Which part of my yard, Papa?
Which Panama you know?
1 minute.
That I want to see there. The one where you take plane and go Panama.
I lie yard too.
No, what happened?
He's not there. Tell him that's all.
What
He here and he's
happened?
still ask stupid question. You know he's saying gone.
What happened with Kayla?
me thief up my brother money. And say me I do want trading sitting with that. And I tell him say Kayla gonna find. I lie
Oh.
I lie
I think you take your money from. Because I know say Kayla not the money, you know. Kayla gonna panama.
So oh you show me one picture with him have brick and heels and something. Ask Kayla that you can ask her. We know nothing.
I feel like you should have more sense. Yes, your Kayla look. You think Kayla have money?
Me thief my brother money. Making throw out my mother. You mean if you tell me say girl gone with my money? I tell him boy man.
Oh, you little wretch, you. And you lie and steal the money. I make your brother fling me out. He's a dirty rich. That's why I never like you, Papa. You take after him. I make your brother fling me out. You're wicked and bad mind. The truth has to come out. The truth has to come out. And we are home, me for.
Keep my money there, start choking.
Meeting, girl, wake up and tell your brother what happened. Yeah, the truth is gonna come out now. You kick me out and blame me. Confess. Tell him. Tell him. Tell him the truth.
What's that? We are do.
Tell him the truth. You're a liar, Jankro.
What's on?
Stick up him.
What's on, man?
Talk.
What's on, man? Wagwan.
Talk.
Brother, I'm sorry. Take your money.
What?
Take your money.
Yeah, truth come out now.
Take your
Me
money.
get kicked out and me get blamed. Me get kicked out and me get blamed.
Hello,
Dirty dog, girl. Dirty Jankro.
Yo.
You worthless like a dirty pooper.
So you take me money? A man tell me a plan to go baby. Girl, we have to do that.
I want to share this with my brother.
We share this with my money. Who you give money to share?
Kayla. We call him black.
You give Kayla for me money? Help up.
Yeah.
Oh God, don't let me forget.
Yo,
And then you feel really dead.
Get up.
And then you feel really dead.
Look here, come here.
Look at your cause.
Come here.
You know the family.
Come here. Come here.
Let me get called thief.
Come
Me
on, we
get
are good
called
on that.
thief.
Yeah,
You're
listen to me.
bad mind.
Family, I know family you got you. Because you thief for money. You're a criminal. Come on.
And that's your fiddle. Make them know what to do with you in prison. Oh, that's thief. Thief and liar.